Hi everyone, it's Nisha. Today I wanted to share with you what I am taking on holiday regarding makeup, skincare and toiletries. What I'm taking, how do I pack it, and what do I put in my hand luggage and what do I put in my luggage that needs to be checked in. And then I will also show you what I will wear to the airport to wear on a plane. I used to take so much makeup away with me, so many palettes, whole arsenal of brushes. Honestly, I had a huge bag in my luggage just full of makeup. But now I am really streamlined and I think I've done really well. Okay, so foundation. I am taking my Delilah Alibi foundation. It's one of my very favorite foundations. I have to take two and they are quite heavy. I have to take two because I will fake tan, so I've got lighter and darker and I have to mix them. You could say, right, you could decant it into a smaller bottle, but I can't do that because I want to take it with me on the plane. I am not risking for them to lose my luggage and lose my foundation because I can't just go and get it in Spain. So I have to take those two bottles. So that's the foundation. Then of course I'm going to take concealer. I'm taking the Rimmel, the Multitasker. And then for my powders, I'm going to take Morphe Bacon Set. It's the pink one. The reason I'm taking this one, I really like it. There is lots of powders that I like, but this is probably the smallest powder that I have to set under my eyes, and very light as well. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the mineral foundation from Lolo. Again, quite small packaging and very light. Then I need bronzer and blush. And by the way, everything that I'm taking, I've got on my face today. For the bronzer, I'm going to take the matte bronzer from Sigma. Love this bronzer. Again, very lovely small packaging. All my other bronzers are huge and I've been using this every day anyway. Now I had lots of options for blushes because they all come in pretty small packaging, but I've decided to take this one. I don't think this one is available anymore. This is from BH Cosmetics Floral Blush in Honolulu Hideaway. The reason is it's so light because it's in a cardboard packaging, so that's what I'm taking. So that's my face taking care of, my complexion. Now for my eyes, I'm taking just one tiny palette. And this is Charlotte Tilbury's Charlotte Darling. This is probably my favorite palette for like everyday use, and I can jazz it up as well. It's small, the quality obviously is amazing, it's very light, tiny, and I have all these colors here, so that's what I've done today with this palette. But I can also make it a bit more smoky with the dark brown. I can use just this one all over my lid, how I do just one eyeshadow look, and I have these two pretty shimmers. And then obviously my eyebrow stuff, I didn't bring it here. Then I need mascaras. I usually use these two. This is the Catrice Glam Doll Scalp and Volume, and then I use the Anastasia, the Lash Brag mascara. This is so heavy, I don't know why, but it's a very, very heavy mascara. So instead of that one, I will take MAC Stack mascara. I really like this one as well, and it works well with this one, and it's much, much lighter. Honestly, this is so heavy. And then I'm going to take a black kohl liner as well if I want to smoke out my eyes. And for my lips, I'm just taking three items. I am taking the Lancome Ideal Lip Liner. I've got that on today. Charlotte Tilbury Dancefloor Princess Lipstick and Wayne Gloss in Hibiscus. That's what I've got today on. I've eaten the gloss a bit. I love this lip combo and it goes with this look. So that's my makeup. Can you believe it? Nisha just takes that much makeup. I've never done that. Well, I have been doing it lately, but I used to take so much more. When it comes to brushes, again, very streamlined. Oh, I forgot to bring blush brush. Foundation brush, they are all dirty. I'm gonna clean them after this video. Foundation brush. This is little eye brush that I use for setting under the eye. This is to set my face. This is for bronzer. And then I will take a blush brush. I forgot to bring it here. For my eyes, I'm just taking 6 brushes. Usually I take like about 30. But because I will be using the same eyeshadow, I don't need lots of different brushes. So I just got 6 brushes. That helps me to achieve the look I want. Okay, now let's go on to skincare. Of course, I've got lots of skincare, but I'm just going to take things that I really need and love. It's very difficult with skincare because some items are quite heavy. You can also get minis. I used to always keep, you know, when you buy, like, you get gift with purchase from Lncome or Estee Lauder, and I used to keep the little creams and take those, but I don't have any at the moment. First of all, I need to take my Skin DEVA Vitamin C, E and Ferulic Acid Serum. I never ever am without it. This is what I use first thing in the morning. And for the evening serum, I'm going to take the Beauty Pie Youth Bomb. And again, I want these to go with me on a plane. I'm not risking them losing my luggage and losing my favorite makeup and my favorite skincare. For the morning eye cream, this one's almost gone. I've got another one. I'm taking the Tranquility Skincare Banish Puffy Eye Cream. I love this cream. I've used it for years on and off, but also I love it how tiny the tube is. And for my daytime moisturizer, I'm taking the Cerave Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 50 because, of course, in Spain the sun is still quite strong, so I need my SPF. And for the evening, I will be using this serum. Then I've got the Super Retinol Eye Cream from Beauty Pie and Super Retinol plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. So that's my skincare, very streamlined. I will also need something to remove my makeup. My most favorite makeup removing balm is the Heimish All Clean Balm. And you can buy them in this much smaller packaging. How big is that? 50 ml. I haven't even looked if yeah, I've got still plenty there. So I always take that with me to travel. So this is my skincare. So now, how am I gonna pack this for my hand luggage? I have bought these, you know, normally they want you to put all your liquid in these little bags. I've bought this one. This one's supposed to be TCA approved. It's got the, I suppose they are sort of the same size, but you have a bit of width in this one, so I hope they don't moan about that. So let's see if I can put all my liquids in here. Oh, I suppose, is concealer a liquid? Well, let's shove it in there. Actually, I've got a room for the micellar water as well. Fits perfectly. Let's just hope they don't think that this is too big. So here are all my liquids, and that is going in my hand luggage. And I think I will put in another one of those, even though they are not liquids, the rest of my makeup. Because I don't have to get that out, they don't have to check it. This is not liquid. These are all powders. And there is my makeup. So I can take these two on a plane with me, no problem. Now I'm thinking about my brushes. I suppose it's not necessary for me to have them on a plane with me, but I would be very upset if they lost my brushes. So let's see if I can shove them in here. I think I can. Oh, and I need the sponge as well. I can't believe that I've packed all that just in a tiny bag. There. It all fitted in. Maybe I will find slightly bigger bag to put all this in. But these two are going with me on the plane. I will also put in my hand luggage this. I got this on Amazon. It's brilliant. This is a little bag for all your chargers and batteries. So I'll put all my chargers and batteries that I need. I will of course take my vlogging camera so I can vlog for you, my Kindle and my headphones. I am not taking my laptop. I'm not going to be spending any time on my laptop. And I will be packing all this in my Veja bag, which I've shown you. It's a reversible bag, so everything will go in there. I've got this bit in here where I can put my passport, my phone, and my bank cards. I probably won't take a handbag with me. I'll pack my handbag in my luggage. Don't want to have too many things with me, but if I do, I will probably take this little rucksack because it's such a neutral light color. It will go with everything. And then I'm going to take one of my big straw bags. Now, the rest of the toiletries will go in my check-in luggage. But again, I'm taking everything that is travel size. I want my toiletries to take as little space as possible, so I've got more room for my clothes and shoes. So things like, I will put that in my check-in luggage. I have little deodorant, little hairspray, small shampoo and conditioner, all travel size. I even have a travel size shower gel. And all the miscellaneous things that I'm also taking is, I always have one of these for when I'm taking my makeup off. Then I take one of these, that's when I'm putting my makeup on. I put that on. I don't need both, but I prefer this when I'm putting makeup on. I will take this. This is glove. It's spelled Glove. This is little glove. You use it wet to take off my cleansing balm, and a mirror, because you always might want to find a place where you put makeup on and the mirror is not in the right place, so I always take a mirror. I've got this one from Easy Hold. Remember, they've sent me that mirror ages ago. I don't know if they still sell them. They have lights on them as well. And this one, the base comes off, so I just pack them flat like this in my suitcase. So now I will show you what I will be wearing on a plane. So this is what I am going to be wearing on a plane. These are Zara, you know these stretchy trousers that have elasticated waist at the back? They are in dark navy. They are very stretchy, very comfortable, so they feel almost like leggings. Just a plain white t-shirt, and this blazer is from Mango. It's quite old, which is dark navy as well, slightly different shade of navy, but it doesn't matter. And my Veja trainers. So I still like to look nice on a plane, and it's only 2.5 hours flight, so you know I'm going to be fine and comfortable. And I will have my Veja bag. So in this bag I have obviously my makeup that I've shown you, and I also have all my chargers. But on top of that I have a nice fluffy cardigan, so if I get chilly on a plane I can take my blazer off and put that really, you know, these are so warm. And I also have a pair of these little ballet shoes. I bought them in a really cheap shop. I think they were £7. They are light as anything, very comfortable, and bendy, because when I get off the plane in Spain, it will be much warmer. I can then take my blazer off, take my trainers off, and put these on. Yes, so with what I'm wearing, I can make outfits out of it when I'm in Spain. The trousers are quite light and thin, so I can wear them with some nice top. I can, in the evening, pop that blazer over jeans or something, and obviously the trainers if I need to go walking somewhere. So yes, that's what I will be packing in my carry-on. It's a bit heavy, but Paul always takes a big rucksack. I might shove half of this stuff in his rucksack because he usually just takes lots of, he will take his iPad, and he takes lots of chargers as well for certain things. So he's not going to have that much in his rucksack. So I put that skincare stuff in his rucksack after we've been through the security. Okay, my lovelies, let me know if you've got any tips for packing in your carry-on. I love it when you exchange ideas in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.